Hey guys, welcome back to the shop. Big Will here with another repair. This is a 2012 BMW X6 and it has come in to get a BMW tow package put on. So we had to take off the trim of the bumper. So quite a few screws. Of course, you got to take out the lights first. Once you unhook the lights, you got to come out and take the reflectors out. Those are the lights there. You'll take the panels down to get to the lights and take off the two bolts in the back here and undo the clip. Pop these out from the underside from the back. They're very easy to come out. And then you're going to have about 6 screws, I think about 4 on each side really, for the like places like here and here and here. And then you're going to come back and undo the clips on the side here. From the inside, you're going to be coming up from the bottom, reaching up and pushing these from the inside. These clips here, here, and those will come in and they clip in here when you put them back in. Each one. You're going to have to unhook your electronics here so that they don't drag. Once you got that all the way, you're going to pull your bumper out. 4 bolts on each side. Go ahead and pull the actual metal bumper off. And then you're going to use those same mounting studs to put on the new tow bar. And once you got everything in this torque, this one came in a couple of pieces. So before we put it up here, went ahead and torqued in these 2 mounting bolts for the bracket, and then put the whole thing up completed and bolted it in for the bracket. Now all that's left to do is to put our trim back on and put our lights and our reflectors back on, wipe everything down, call the customer, tell them to come pick it up. Quick job. This is the kit that is all bolt. There is no welding. So depending on how much help you got, between an hour and 2 hours. All right, thanks for joining me at the shop. See me again for another repair. This is Big Will.